Hey there, in this quick JavaScript tutorial, we learn how to convert RGB values into a hex color code. It is a common task in web development, especially when working with themes or graphics. We'll use bitwise operations and string formatting to build a compact solution. Let's get into the code and understand how the conversion works. We're given three integers for red, green, and blue. Each must be combined and converted into a hexadecimal string, like FFA501. We'll need a method that's both fast and compact. Let's take a look at how we can achieve this using JavaScript. We use bit shifting to place the red in the highest byte, green in the middle, and blue in the lowest. Then we convert the number to a base 16 string using toString 16. Pad start 6 and 0 ensures the result is always 6 characters long. It is the clean and clever one-liner solution. This approach leverages 24-bit structure of colors in hex format. Each color component takes up 8 bits in the final number. By shifting and adding, we build the correct value, then convert it. Padding ensures the output always has 6 hex characters. Let's see a few examples in action. Pure black is 6 zeros, while white is 6 Fs. Our earlier example, RGB 2551651, gives us FFA501, a vibrant orange. This method handles all values within the 0 to 255 range accurately. RGB to X conversions is everywhere in design and UI tools. Color pickers, CSS theming systems, and even animations need this transformation. Knowing how to implement this in JavaScript gives you more control over visual logic. Now let's summarize what we've covered. We've built a compact, high-performance function to convert RGB values into a hex code. This is useful across web development, design tools, and more. Remember to pad the string and ensure values are within valid ranges. Thanks for watching, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next